Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build fluency with Duolingo, complete guide step by step clearly. To build fluency with Duolingo, start by setting a daily practice goal. Choose a realistic time commitment that fits into your schedule. Select a target language you are genuinely interested in learning. Begin with the basics by completing the introductory lessons. Engage with the app daily to establish a routine. Utilize the practice feature to reinforce what you've learned. Focus on speaking exercises to improve pronunciation and confidence. Incorporate listening exercises to enhance your comprehension. Experiment with the stories and podcasts features for immersive learning. Use the Duolingo community forums for tips and motivation. Challenge yourself with higher difficulty levels once you feel comfortable. Set specific milestones to track your progress. Take advantage of the Duolingo events to practice speaking with others. Consider complementing Duolingo with additional resources for grammar and vocabulary. Use flashcards or other spaced repetition tools to reinforce memory. Practice typing and writing in your target language when prompted. Stay consistent, even if some days feel less productive than others. Celebrate your progress to stay motivated on your language journey. Remember, the goal is not perfection but steady improvement over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.